even happen here momentarily.
As soon as you get some wine, huh? A little bit of celebration.
Celebration.
This baby
It's
needs
very
a glass of
exciting.
wine.
How do you think we did in selling the boat?
I think y'all did fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. Wonderful gentlemen, great attitudes, very informational. It's awesome.
And you're talking about us?
Yeah.
Oh,
Of course.
all right. Okay. I just want to make sure.
Okay. Not this time. And then, look outside, make sure the boat's not moving. Leave it right there first time I ever got it started.
So you excited?
I'm very excited.
Give me that excited look he's driving.
He is. I figured he'd be scared of that.
Okay, what do you mean we're not working?
Excuse me, I'm working.
How'd you enjoy that?
I enjoyed it, man.
Okay.
The
How
whole
was
experience has been good.
good? Good. So, what do you think about Sorry Dog?
Well, Carl's okay, but this guy named Fred. No, everybody was great, man. Ever since the first phone call, the website was easy to use and the lowest price because the boats are posted on other websites for more expensive. I got it for cheap.
Boy, you can't beat that. And you're enjoying it too, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yep.
Great experience.
So, this is going to be your home from now on.
Yep.
There you go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we have the proud owners. Another boat by Sorry Dog.
Yay!